Welcome back to another tutorial from Techie.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix issues and clear the cache on the Thursday dating app. So let's get started right away. If you are trying to use the Thursday application, but you are running into connection issues or the application is crashing, then the first thing that you will need to check is to make sure that you are updated to the latest version. Open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store and then tap on the search button. Then just search for the Thursday dating app. Once you find the application, tap on it, and if you see an update button instead of open, you will need to tap on update to install the latest version. Once the update process is completed, you can open up the application once again and see if your issue is fixed. If you still face issues, long press on the Thursday application and then tap on App Info. From here, tap on Force Stop in order to stop the application and then go into Storage Settings. From here, you will find the Clear Cache option. Go ahead and tap on it, and this will clear your application cache. If you tap on Clear Data, this will also log you out from your account, and you will need to log back into the app. Once you clear your cache, you can start using the Thursday dating app without any issues. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to clear the cache and fix issues on the Thursday dating app. If you find this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.